Hello everybody, welcome back to Raise Realty channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily launder money in Schedule 1. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to Raise Realty. As you guys can see here, now we need to go to Raise Real Estate and now go and talk to him about buying a business. For me, there will be no because I have all of them right now. So let me show you, for example, the post office. It's right here. Now we enter it and here we will have a little computer. We need to click E to manage the business. Now click Launder and make sure you always use the laundering operation at its max because it will only launder $4,000 per one laundering. So there's no point in putting 2,000 or even less. Just max it out. Now let me show you another example, which is the laundromat. So it's right here, and here after the restricted access staff only, we will have a computer too. So let me start laundering again, and last but not least, I'll show you the taco ticklers. Now here in the restaurant, we will go here. Now manage the business and launder $8,000. We can also go to the car wash, which is closed, and there you can also launder some money. So as you guys can see, here we have the computer. Now we're gonna launder 6,000 and it looks just like this. So this is how you can easily launder money in the game. If this helped you, please leave a like in the comment. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more tutorials. Bye.